Today I'm taking a look at the Yakima GateKeeper. This is the medium, so this is a 53-inch wide tailgate pad. So we got a very nice plastic feeling material here on the top. We got a big flap, so no matter where the rear camera is on the tailgate, you're still going to be able to see that. This is Velcro, so this is going to be able to re-stick back on, no issue. The thing that stands out most about this is this nice material that we got on the bottom that's going to protect the paint on the truck. So that is great. We do have full pads here on the back where the bikes are going to sit, so we don't have to worry about damaging those tubes. Looks like, this is kind of interesting, this is fixed. So if you have a very large frame, it's going to have to be able to fit inside of here. And the Velcro has to be able to come back and attach to itself. So I can put a full fist in there and it's okay. So it's really going to depend on the actual size of the bike. So I got a Ford Maverick to install this on. The Ford Maverick has a 48-inch width tailgate. This pad is designed for 53-inch. So this is quite a bit larger, so I'm going to do a little finagling to get this to work. Okay. Now the number one thing I see that people do wrong is they actually put this up too high on the tailgate. If this pad is too high, the wheels will still be able to make contact with the tailgate, so this isn't really going to be doing much for you. We need this to be up high. We want these pads to be basically right on the corners of the tailgate. We want these straps to be straight, we don't want them to be twisted, and we want to put them underneath the tailgate and pull them out the back. It's also very important that the tailgate be clean when you do this, because if there's dirt on there, it's going to act like sandpaper and it's going to scratch up the paint. You definitely don't want that, so just clean up the tailgate before you put this on. So this hook, it has two slots where this can go. You want to bring it into the slot closest to you, and then out the top. And it comes with this little elastic band on the strap. I think I got this one a little bit too far forward, so I'll have to redo that one. And it's important that these straps be tight, because this is going to be what's preventing your bicycle from moving around. Okay. Now it's definitely not going to close because the latch is right here. It's got some kind of a reinforcement in it. So I got two options. Either I can cut this, which would probably reduce the water resistance, so I don't really want to do that. Or I can try to fold it. And I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, that might work. Cool. And that is the most perfect coverage I've ever seen. You can still see both of our tail lights, so nothing is concealed, but the entire tailgate is covered, so I don't have to worry about anything scratching that up. And if we still want access to the handle, this flap does fold up and out of the way, and we still have our rear view camera. It's right here at the bottom of the emblem, and I do still have good vision, so that works. And then we want to clean the down tube on the bike, because that is going to be where the dirt is going to make contact with that pad, and that's going to create that sandpaper effect. I want to clean the top as well as the bottom, anywhere where that strap is going to touch. Even if you don't care about this bike, it's still important just because any bike you put on that strap in the future is going to be making contact with that dirt. There we go. So we're making good contact on the pad up here. We're making contact on the cushion on the other side, so that's why it's very important that this side also be cushiony. We are also making contact on the bumper, so it's worth keeping that in mind if you're driving a Maverick. I don't really think that's a big problem. Depending on how particular you are, you might want to put something on that too. But the important thing is that the wheel is turned toward us on the driver's side, because we don't want that brake rubbing on this side. It's going to be bad for the truck. It's also going to be bad for the brake. But yeah, that is an excellent pad, and for a Ford Maverick, I'd be hard-pressed to find a better one. This is the most perfect fit that you're going to find on a Ford Maverick. And honestly, I like the way it looks too. Perfect fit. Nice and black, just the logo right there. Looks like you're about to go do something. So that's cool.